I'm Arlan, and this is day 4 of my 30-day Write Your Own Headlines challenge. And today we're going to talk about forgiveness. In my book, It's About Damn Time, I say that forgiveness is a productivity hack. And I want to talk about forgiveness because on this road to clarity, which is the theme of this week's challenge, I I am someone who has a hard time forgiving people, but once I figured this part out, things change dramatically for me. So today, I maybe have 2 people that I'm having a hard time forgiving instead of like 20 people at a time. And it really is about thinking through, is this other person thinking about me as much as I'm thinking about them? Do they get to, if I think that they victimized me, right? Do they get to do that again? Now, you'll notice that I did not say forget. The phrase is forgive but not forget, right? I didn't say forget. And I certainly don't mean this as meaning that what they did was okay, or what you think they did was okay, or how they made you feel, or how you feel about it is okay. I just mean that in order to take back some of your time, energy, and power, you have the control to let it go. And actually, it just reminded me of my friend Mel Robbins. She has a new book called Let Them, and she has this let them theory, which is also super helpful to me. And I did this challenge for 2 years, and she didn't have that book out, so now I can mention it. It's a really good book. Now, if you think about the impacts of holding a grudge, that slows you down and maybe even derails you, and it acts like an obstacle in your path. So what I like to do when I'm feeling that creep up of this person is getting a lot of free rent in my head is I like to, and this is what I would like you to do now, is to imagine the path in front of you as a physical path. And imagine each of these grudges or these things that you're not forgiving. Imagine them as big obstacles on the path. They're trash. They're cluttering your path to clarity and success. And I want you to imagine yourself, you may even have to close your eyes to do this, but I want you to imagine yourself walking. And as you walk, you clear them from side to side. You clear them out of the way. This is what helped me. And I visualize this often because I haven't figured it all out. I don't know the answers, but this helps me, and I hope it helps you. This 30-day challenge is about getting you closer and closer to success and whatever that means for you. Make sure you go back and watch days 1 through 3 so that you're all caught up, and then go to day 5 after this. Leave a comment and let me know if something has clicked. What day has been most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And join me in my next Zoom call. You can get the link to it in the description below. We're getting together and talking about our takeaways. I'm giving a little bit more information and really just getting together to share this. I've done this with 2,000 people in the past 2 years, and it's been really, really amazing. So join me there. Link is in the bio. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of this, and please share it with others.